first video, and my name is Lisa.
And my name is RasQ, and we're gonna be making
Slime.
slime.
Okay, so what you need is, we're gonna make fluffy slime. So you need a bottle of water, you need hot water, borax,
So
tiny spoon, things to like make it smell good, food coloring, and then like paint, glue, shaving cream,
borax, optional.
borax, and glitter. Oh, can you get the lotion?
Alright,
And then we need lotion. So let's get started.
Where's the lotion?
Okay, let's get started. This is gonna be kind of hard.
Why did you hire me?
It's like right there.
Where?
Right there on the table. You not see that table thing? No, right there, the other one. Yeah. It doesn't really matter.
Dude, we're using shampoo.
No, not shampoo. Other one. What is weird? Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and add some glue.
Alright, we
No,
got
not Vaseline.
Oh my. Wait, that should be.
Okay.
I'm gonna wear it.
Kinda like-
Okay, yeah, I'm doing durable right now. Okay, where?
This is like so hard. It's like barely any glue. Yeah.
Oh, there's the lotion. Alright.
Told you.
So shout out to Jergens. Okay,
This glue doesn't work. Try to open this.
Dude, it looks like a bird pooped in it.
Dude, can you hold on to this? I need both hands. Don't. Yeah.
You want me to squeeze it?
Yeah. Wait. I want to do something. Hold on to this. I'm gonna do something. Try to open this up.
Better hurry up with this.
But this like won't open up. Dad.
Can you be the cameraman?
Yeah.
Because we need some major help.
Yeah.
Hold my
You
iPad.
guys don't even have the stuff arranged and everything.
Hold my iPad. Don't show our faces.
You guys don't even have nothing arranged.
Shout out to my
We
uncle.
don't like to show our faces.
Don't show our faces.
Alright. So what the heck are you guys making right now?
Slime.
We're making puffy.
So we're doing like 2 cameras.
You guys gotta show what you guys need.
Yeah,
We did.
Yeah, I dare you eat this. This is sugar.
It says do not eat right now.
Hi, that's borax.
Okay, wait, so like I'm shaking this out because like there's like.
Let me squeeze it.
I want to squeeze it. It's my baby.
Let him squeeze it. Because he hasn't made it.
Oh, what the heck is that? Dude!
Here, I'm gonna add more water.
Just open it up.
Milk.
It's like barely.
We got
anything.
fresh milk, guys.
There's nothing on that plate yet. Why don't you guys use get some gloves?
No, we like to use our hands.
Really? It's better to use gloves.
We're Filipinos, so we have to use these hands.
How
Use
can
hands for
they tell you're
everything.
Filipino? Can't even see your guys' faces.
I show my face.
You show your chin.
Show my
My
face.
iPad's too big.
The camera is too small.
Oh my! How am I gonna have enough glue for me?
It works. Don't worry.
All right, put glue on mine. Wait, I need
Is
glue.
there glue right here? This is all
No.
out.
All out.
You failed. Give me some. Put glue on mine.
I like to make this bottle empty.
Put glue on my plate. Oh yeah. Yeah. Whoa! Dude, what is?
Is there no more glue? That's all the glue left?
Okay, I'm gonna add my food coloring in right
We
now.
have to put the food coloring.
I'm adding teal.
Can you do a face reveal?
It doesn't really matter if you show your face.
No, I can't show my face. I'm not allowed to.
Really?
Yeah, my dad said.
Boring.
He said, be better.
My
Don't worry, when I'm 13, I can do a face reveal. Watch, I'm gonna hit 10.
Just keep on. No,
I'm gonna hit
watch
10K.
that.
I'm gonna hit 10K. And I'll do a face reveal. You did teal?
Oh.
That's only color you have. Oh, you have more colors, huh?
Wait, can I put this in?
Go ahead.
Yeah. You gotta be careful though.
Wait, can someone hold this?
Okay, go ahead. Hold on. Why are you using
Wait,
two?
I gotta put this on because we're doing
One for her, one for me. Wait, how much should I put it?
That's yours. You can put as much as you want.
Just go like this.
As much color as you want.
Oh my god. Dude, what the heck?
I'm adding glitter right now.
Oh, you're so sweet.
Look at my batch. Show it on my camera.
Well, my batch is nothing. All you
You
see.
can use your spoon.
Oh, you're lucky you know how. I did.
I'm using a lot of glitter. All is like liquid, just liquid. I'm adding some grapes now.
I messed up.
There's 2 cameras. It's so hard. Right?
I barely have anything.
Looking more color than that. What was that? What are you doing? Sky blue?
Skype blue?
Sky blue.
I gotta put it in Discord blue.
I told you there's not a lot of shaving cream.
The shaving cream
Well, of
bathroom.
course you had to put the camera
Is there
filter.
Put some more shaving cream
What
in
the
bathroom.
Can you
heck?
get it? Here. Here, so this is my slime. Oh,
This is
sorry.
my horrible slime. All you can see is the chunk. Alright,
What does it look like?
that looks.
Oh, this looks weird. Oh, in the camera it looks weird, but it's actually like teal. You can focus. Don't focus. Oh, whatever.
Right.
Look at his.
Mine's nothing.
It looks purple in the camera.
Pretty cool. Whatever it is.
Pretty.
Dad, can you add some more?
Pretty
Can
cool.
you get the
For an amateur.
Yeah.
Then his. That's mine.
See spicy.
That's mine.
Well, I haven't said mine too.
So like it's kind of confusing because like I'm holding 2 cameras and it's like so confusing. Do you want to add some teal
I
to it?
swear to God. Teal first. Yo, I'm about to make it Discord blue.
Here, I'll add some teal to yours. I don't want any teal on our fingers.
Wait.
That's okay, it's washable. But I don't want any teal. What are you doing?
I'm Filipino. I can do
Okay,
whatever I
Oh, a
want.
lot teal.
Here, I'll
Dude, that's hectic.
Oh, can I do? Oh, that's
I'll do it.
good.
I'll do it.
That's
How
good.
much?
That's good.
Alright, put extra. Whoa. Whoa, it looks like a whip. It looks like you're pouring whipped cream.
Okay, it's kind of like low bat.
Mine's gooey. Plutonium.
Adding lotion in now.
That's enough lotion.
Wait.
Why are you adding lotion?
Because to make it not sticky at first.
Alright, so you should put some of this too? Okay, good.
Make sure like everything.
Is that good?
Do more. How much did you put?
I don't know.
More than that. Look at it.
Alright, that has to be good.
Okay, I'm gonna add my borax now.
Dude, stop.
Alright, this is what happens when you add the borax. Hold on, go ahead here.
Yo, I'm knowing you're ready. Yours is smooth, mine's really weird.
What the?
Can you put too much?
What the?
You gotta put more borax in.
What is wrong with this?
But you guys don't have that much glue.
What is
Mine
happening?
looks like creepy
You don't have
chocolate.
enough glue.
You were so dumb.
What did you guys do? What did you guys do to yours?
Mine's going
You guys
pretty
didn't have.
well.
How did you guys not have enough ingredients of the stuff you guys need to make slime? This is a failed video, guys.
No! Stop it. Oh,
You're
mine's
lucky it's not an
getting
epic
better.
fail.
Yeah, I got
Guys, mine's looking good, guys. Look.
Oh, it's getting chunkier.
Alright, go ahead and
Wait, do you just have to keep mixing it?
yeah, go ahead and put some borax in yours.
Mine's not thick enough.
Because you gotta put borax.
Dude, what are you putting in?
I'm adding glue. We need to get some more glue tomorrow.
We do.
Yeah.
Alright, by the way, we're gonna be making a video on a park. But I'm not gonna put my face reveal because I'm not ready. This is my first vlog.
Did you put borax in there?
This is my first vlog.
No, it's not working.
Here, man. Here, see.
I got it. Yeah.
Oh, that was
Okay, come on.
me.
That's enough.
You
No,
overdone
it's not
it.
working.
Mine's working. Kind of.
No, it's not.
Mine's the same. You have to keep mixing it because it has to be more thick. Like the more you mix it, the more thicker it will be.
Hey, my camera.
No, it's on there. What's on there?
Look at that!
Alright, point the camera towards you.
It's
It's not
you.
working.
Guys, this is going well.
Not going well.
Alright, do we just wait until it dries?
I'll just buy some more glue tomorrow morning.
Look at that. Okay, it's a fail. Fail.
Because it should have been like this already.
Oh, can I add some borax to that? Here, so I made this other slime in.
Wait, add some to mine.
Yeah.
I made this here. Oh, we're gonna add some of this slime. So that.
I just need to make it thicker.
It's my face.
Oh no, mine's not thickening anymore. Mine's going back.
Look at my hands. Look at your
Look at his
hands.
hands.
You guys, look at my hands. All you can see is this.
It's like, oh my gosh, it's like, why is it so sticky and like.